Al Carlson is no stranger to defending religious liberty. But Al, I'm delighted you're with us today to talk about Stand Up for Religious Freedom Rally. Where did that begin?
Well, thanks for having me,
You
Gordon.
bet. Here's a flyer, by the way.
Yes. And this all began last spring when it became evident in the Obamacare Health Act that through the HHS mandate, which is a part of that, that religious institutions, businesses of all of our country would have to cover all their employees regarding contraception, sterilization, and abortion. Well, this obviously violates much of what religious people think about.
Yeah, some very basic tenets of moral principle.
Right. And so a group out of Chicago, the Pro-Life Action League, who've been lions in the pro-life business, so to speak, for years and years, decided that they would step out and start a rally, and it took place. And we up here in Rapid City decided we'd be a part of it through our affiliations with them.
Well, now, last year when this rally took place, I think there were tens of thousands of people across the nation who went to their federal buildings and said, no, we don't want restrictions on our religious freedom.
Absolutely. Right, Howie. What happened here was that many cities became interested in this, and hundreds of cities have taken part in these rallies. There's been two prior to the one this fall, and they were in March and in last June. And thousands of people have participated in this across the country. And anyone who wants to participate, if you're listening to this not in the Rapid City area, you could just Google in Stand Up for Religious Freedom, and your city will be listed on there if you are near one.
Yes, and it'll be on the screen, Stand Up for Religious Freedom. There'll be a web address on the screen. You can just take it and Google it and find out where the one is closest to you.
Yes.
Now, this rally is taking place on Saturday, October 20th at noon at the Federal Building in Rapid City.
Yes. From 9 to 1 at the Federal Building in Rapid City. Not the courthouse, but the Federal Building. And the hallmark of it will be prayer and singing and holding up signage to state this is a chance for persons to put wings on their prayers, on their faith.
Yes, you know, a lot of people need to put feet to their prayer, don't they? We see people being willing to, Christian people, willing to accept the dictates of Obamacare instead of standing up and saying no. And it goes against everything that our faith as Christians represent. Now, I happen to be Protestant, you happen to be Catholic, but we stand together in this, don't we?
We absolutely do. Underpinning this loss of religious freedoms for everyone is the Catholic Church's teachings regarding contraception, sterilization, and abortion. Well, contraception, we believe, violates what the human body a healthy human body was intended to do. And sterilization, of course, is a destruction of the integrity of a person. And abortion, of course,
destroys the person.
It destroys an innocent human being.
Yes, and the Pope has called it what it is, murder.
Murder, absolutely.
And I want to just say on camera, God bless the Catholic Church and Christ-believing Catholics who are standing up and leading the way against the infringement of religious freedoms. God bless you, Al.
Well, thank you. It's only by God's grace.
Well, and this isn't, like I said at the beginning of this segment, this isn't the first encounter you've had defending religious freedoms. If you were driving down the street in Rapid City, you might see Al standing in front of the Planned Parenthood clinic with a sign, or maybe in front of Dr. Beener, the notorious abortionist in Rapid City. Just your presence there has an impact.
Well, I thank you for that.
You know,
Gordon, and our rally this year, the theme of it will probably be Viva Cristo Rey, long live Christ the King. That's going to be our rally cry.
And come soon, Lord Jesus.
And come soon.
Al, I count it a blessing that you are my friend and my brother. And I want to encourage everyone across South Dakota to join in this important rally. Tea Party folks, this is an opportunity to stand on morally right ground, say less government, and say no to infringement of religious liberty. You want to make sure you're there. Thanks for watching us.